The HSB 3006 hydraulic swing beam shear is available in cutting lengths of 2 metres to 4 metres and plate thickness cutting capacity from 4 mm to the larger plate thickness of 16 mm. This machine is manufactured with quality in mind, using Siemens and Mitsubishi electrical components for trouble-free operation. Control of the Shear as standard is done by Siblec's excellent Cybe Touch 6 CNC guillotine control. Backstop position, cutting length and number of cut pieces required can all be done on this easy to use touchscreen control. All machines come with a 1000mm inverter controlled power backstop, ball screws as standard and the ability for the backstop to swing up for larger cutting requirements. Cutting a large variety of material thickness is easily done with a manual blade gap adjustment on the side of the machine. This accurately adjusts the gap for the material thickness. An option for this to be CNC controlled can be offered. Shadowline cutting is fitted to the machine, which includes an interlock 1 metre flip-up finger guard with electrical switch protection for cutting small, hard to reach components. Rear operator safety is done by infrared light curtain with safety reset and side protection side panels. Ball transfer plates are included for ease of single operator operation and the moving of thicker, heavier plates. Included on the standard machine is a ruled 1 metre squaring arm and 3 off 1 metre ruled support arms. These are T-slotted and fitted with front stops for the accurate cutting of large sheet components. The Swing Beam Shear is a fantastic solution for your cutting requirements.